For the next startup is very unique, very special because they are at a very early stage. They came all the way from Haifa, and they are called SircleIt. Here's Evie from SircleIt.
All right, so good afternoon, everybody. My name is Zevi, and I'm the co-founder of SircleIt. Alongside here is my lovely assistant and partner, Mr. Vova Feldman, our technology guru. Give him a little bit of... Okay, so I'm really excited to be here, and as I'm guessing, I'm the youngest one to stand on this stage today. So help me out a little bit, and everything will be okay. Just a short background about ourselves. Me and Vova are two partners, which are all Technion partners. This is us when we were all partners. And basically, we've been working on SircleIt for the past year. And yes, we're really young and in the start. So before I begin and get into details about what are we doing, let's take a look at a short animation video we've made that shows a real-life scenario of the need and purpose of our product. So,
what is SircleIt? From the moment you wake up, you face different problems and dilemmas, starting from what to wear through where to spend your vacation, and even bigger decisions like, what is the right car for you? Here's an example. Assume you want to decide which university to attend. The first thing you do is collect information. Using the web is a good way to do that. As a start, you'll probably Google different universities for some basic information. Most likely, at the top of the results, you'll find the homepages of the universities. Exploring them will give you the formal, dry information. Not quite enough in order to decide where to spend the next 4 years of your life, right? So what will you do next? Maybe some forums will help you decide. Now you can read reviews and ask some questions. Here, you can get exposed to the fun part, like fraternities and the parties they have. Shortly, you'll get a bunch of answers from students and similar people about the universities. For example, Josh from Stanford says the best parties are in the Gamma fraternity. Something you should take into mind, don't you think? But should you base your decision upon information from people you don't really know? So the next thing you do is call your pals who went through the same thing last year to hear their advice. Still not confident where to attend, right? So next, you might consult your family, ask for their opinion, and hear their advice. Okay, let's see what we've been through until now. Homepages for some dry and formal information. Forums where people there don't really know you. Relevant pals to learn from their experience. And finally, people you care about for their valuable opinions. That is one way, albeit a long and not efficient way to solve your dilemma. But let's see another way. The SircleIt way.
all right. So what is the SircleIt way? And before I show it to you, I would like to say that I would like to show you that we're a little bit innovative and we're different than what you think. So we'll show you how are we different. So let's put on the home page. And basically we began as a vision of a question-oriented fusion between social circles, forums, and social circles. So this is how we got our name from. We know to spell a circle. Yes, it's not a C, it's an S. So everything is okay. Everything is in place. So let's go inside and see what's it's all about. So this is our main page. It's quite basic main page, and it's divided into 3 parts. On the left side, you can see all of the information and the question I've been asking and wondering about. On the middle side, I can see questions and help that my friends need. And on the right side is a suggestion center that I will elaborate a little bit more in the next couple of minutes. So let's try and help the guy from the movie. We'll go to the post box, and we'll type in the dilemma. So let's do that. Here it goes. And now I need to decide who do I want to share this information with, and who will assist me. So I'm clicking the SircleIt button, and now I see a 2-item list. And this list is the first item. Basically, what it shows it holds inside all of my friends being categorized into different social circles. And in a minute I'll show you what it's all about. And on the public side, I can see basically topics and skills and expertise guys might or may not add. So I will click the My Circle button and I'll choose my family to collaborate with. I will choose my best friends and I will choose my close friend and my close classmates as well. But on my classmates, I don't want to elaborate and share it with a specific guy, so I can just uncheck him and he won't see the post at all. So I'm doing that, but I only want to share this information with people who have the right skill. And this skill specifically is having knowledge around education. So I'm choosing the education skill needed. I'm posting the question and I can see it in a minute, okay? And automatically a notification has been sent through my email to the right group of responders there is. So I'm guessing you're probably wondering what is so unique, and what I didn't mention is currently we're using the Facebook API platform to establish our social graph. But we're adding a lot of information to this social graph, and we're leveraging it by basically encouraging our users to tag and add labels to each connection on their social graph. So, and this is how all of my friends are being categorized into these social circles. So we're not expecting you to do it alone. And we've developed several tools, automatic ones and manual ones, to do so. And all uses our unique algorithm we've developed in the past couple of months. And I will show you, first of all, the advisor section, which looks quite similar to Facebook actually, but once I'm adding a friend which is not on my network, the algorithm is telling me which circle should I add it, which social circle should I add this person. And another opportunity you have is dealing with existing players and existing users of your network, and we're advising you to add them into new circles or existing circles that you never thought of putting this person inside to. So I can choose it and on the circle advisor. And the other way to just open new circles and see more opportunities is go to the friends sector, which will show up. Great. And now basically what you see here is there all of your friends on the left side. Okay. All of your friends on the left side, all of your circles on the right side. Again, in red you see suggestions which the algorithm has found. And basically if I want to add one of my friends into the circle, I'm just checking in him and dragging and dropping, and basically it looks like a lot like folders. And this is a quite easy way to add friends into this social circle. So once we're waiting for an answer from our guys, let's go back and maybe help our friends. So I would like to help, let's say, Shelly. Okay, so Shelly uses another feature we have, which is the poll feature. Basically, when you're looking for group validation or the group opinion, but you don't want to go into details, you can use the poll feature. Basically, you're giving several choices for your answer, for your question. You can vote, and you see the result on a graphical manner. Me and her and everybody else is who she's addressing this problem to. So I will finish by summarizing that although we're young and we're at the beginning of a way, I've tried to show you that CircleIt is an ultimate platform to ask any type of problems or question you're handling right now, either it's intimate one, technical one, or professional one. Basically everything you need. And there is a lot more to come right now. More application, more features, more surprises. And we invite you all to join CircleIt family, and in any form there is. And I'll sum up by quoting a social academic professor, which we discussed about it, our idea a couple of weeks ago on a convention, and he said that CircleIt is a new way to filter all the social noise when looking for assistant and data. So thank you very much, and join now.